Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Divisha Agrawal and today's video is going to be a Q&A video. Now, मैंने 2024 में एक Q&A video किया था and उसके बाद से I never actually did a question and answer round on YouTube. So I thought कि चैनल पे कुछ नए सब्सक्राइबर्स है, कुछ नए लोग हैं, पीपल हु एक्चुअली डोंट नो मी. सो आई थॉट कि Q&A वीडियो 2025 में तो बनता है, स्पेशली इन द स्टार्ट. सो या दैट्स व्हाट today's video is all about. I posted this story on Instagram and asked you guys to ask me a bunch of questions that you would like to know about me, my life, and anything and everything in general. I have a bunch of questions over here on my laptop. So I'm going to go one by one and answer as many as I can. So yeah, let's begin. Since I have a lot of new faces on Instagram and YouTube, a quick introduction might be nice because बहुत सारे questions है which are like basic questions. Where are you from? What do you do? And stuff like that. So I'm just going to answer that all in one go. So I am Divisha Agrawal. I'm a full-time content creator, and before this, I was in a 9-to-5 job for almost 3.5 years. I quit my job back in July and been doing this full-time for last 6 months. I'm basically from Rajasthan, but I live in Bombay for work, and I've done my college from Pune, so I've spent like 5-6 years in Pune as well. Apart from that, I have a small sweet family of 5 people, mom, dad, and 3 sisters. I'm the youngest one. So yeah, that's about me. That's basically all about me. So let's just now get into the questions. So the first question, are you a Marwadi? Yes, I am. As I said, I belong to Rajasthan. I've grown up there and I belong to a Marwadi family. Next question, what are the skills you have picked up since becoming a creator? इट्स अ वेरी गुड क्वेश्चन. सो आई थॉट कि मैंने कुछ भी नए स्किल्स नहीं सीखे हैं बिकॉज मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि मुझे सब आता है ऑलरेडी. बट नो, दैट्स नॉट ट्रू. इट्स लाइक अ बिग फैट लाई बिकॉज मैंने बहुत सारी नई चीज़ें सीखी है आफ्टर becoming a part of the creator industry. So मैंने बहुत सारे नए skills सीखे हैं, like working with the camera, like how to shoot a video, record a video, or just camera settings and stuff like that. Apart from that, editing, it's a whole different world. It's very deep topic and उसमें बहुत ज़्यादा scope है सीखने का. And every day I find out something new that I can do with my edit. उसमें मुझे हमेशा कुछ ना कुछ नया सीखने मिलता है. And still मैं बहुत experiments करती रहती हूँ अपने edits के साथ में, and I still have like a long way to go. So editing is one big skill that I have gained out of content creation. Apart from that, talking to people, because I was never good with it, and मैं एक introvert type की लड़की हूँ, and I was really shy and underconfident, I would say. But this profession has given me a lot of confidence and the skill of talking to people. Again, a long way to go, but I have improved myself a lot through this whole journey. And content writing is one thing because of course you have to write like your scripts and captions and so many different things. Then managing everything, because managing a full-fledged personal brand is difficult. Like you have to take care of so many things. There's admin work, there's talking to brands, there's invoicing, there's finances, like a lot of factors to it. So yes, managing a business is one skill that I think I've learned. I'm pretty sure और भी बहुत सारी ऐसी छोटी-छोटी skills होगी, लेकिन yeah, these are the ones that I remember right now. So yeah. Is there any planning for a group tour or a meetup in the future? Actually yes. So a couple of days ago only एक brand ने reach out किया था for like organizing a group trip with my followers and me. So I am actually giving it a thought and thinking about it कि सब कुछ कैसे manage करना है, because it could be a big commitment. लेकिन most probably if everything works out well, then I would be announcing a group trip very very soon. So let's hope for the best, and I would love to meet you all in person and just interact with you all. Next is best moment or memory of 2024. Honestly, it's tough to pick just one moment because बहुत सारे छोटे छोटे moments होते हैं throughout the year. लेकिन if I have to just pick one, then I would pick the day when we finished our trek in Uttarakhand. So we went for like a 4-day trekking trip, and last day पे when we were going for the summit, it was very tough, it was very difficult, but the views, they were just insane. And I remember feeling so free, good about myself, and just like I've got wings sort of situation. So I was just running around and having the time of my life. I think that is one moment that I would cherish forever, because I had my closest friends with me around. So yeah, I got to share that particular moment with my closest pack. So yeah, that means something for sure. Your favorite holiday destination? So बहुत सारी है यार. मतलब अभी तक मैं जहाँ पे भी घूमने गई हूँ, there have been so many beautiful destinations जहाँ पे मैं already जा चुकी हूँ, and there are so many in my bucket list. एक पिक करना तो बहुत मुश्किल है, लेकिन आई वुड से एनीथिंग वेयर देयर आर माउंटेन्स आई वुड बी हैप्पी. मे बी अ डेस्टिनेशन लाइक बिरबिलिंग और एनीवेयर इन हिमाचल or Kashmir would be nice. Yeah, so I think one of those destinations would be my absolute favorite to be at. Anything with mountains. Next question is international Divisha pen. So basically I think you want to ask कि मैं next international trip पे कब जा रही हूँ. Actually ऐसा कोई solid plan नहीं है, but I'm waiting for the right time and right opportunity कि मुझे पहला trip थोड़ा special रखना है. I want to make it count and stuff like that. Let's hope कि 2025 में मुझे chance मिले and I am able to plan like a international trip very very soon to a nice destination. Fingers crossed. Next question is what keeps you motivated? So my friend, motivation is overrated I feel like, because मैंने जब से ये चीज़ अप्लाई करना शुरू किया अपनी लाइफ में कि मोटिवेशन का वेट नहीं करना है, डिसिप्लिन इज़ एवरीथिंग, तब से माई एंटायर अप्रोच हैज़ चेंज टूवर्ड्स एनीथिंग, माई वर्क, माई लाइफ, एवरीथिंग. आई ट्राई टू बी डिसिप्लिन विथ माई वर्क कि एवरी डे एक वीडियो जाना है, या फिर अभी जैसे यूट्यूब पे आई एम बीइंग वेरी कंसिस्टेंट, सो एवरी वीक 2 वीडियोज़ जाने हैं. डिसिप्लिन मैटर्स. तुम अपने आप से मोटिवेशन आता है, अपने आप से कंसिस्टेंट हो जाते हैं, सब कुछ अपने आप से हो जाता है. मोटिवेशन इज ओवररेटेड, डिसिप्लिन इज द रियल किंग. एंड इफ यू रियली वांट टू नो व्हाट कीप्स मी मोटिवेटेड और व्हाट कीप्स मी गोइंग सॉर्ट ऑफ, देन आई थिंक बहुत ही क्लीशे आंसर है. मेरे गोल्स बहुत ज़्यादा बड़े हैं, मेरे ड्रीम्स भी बहुत ज़्यादा बड़े हैं, सो दे जस्ट कीप मी गोइंग. आई डू वांट टू रीच अ सर्टेन पॉइंट इन माई लाइफ. And that's what just keeps me going. Next question is, post your switch from the job to full-time creator. How's life and how it has impacted your cost of living? Very very nice question. Kudos to you. But yes, I do want to talk about it because it's not as glamorous or nice as it looks on the screen. Because बहुत सारे challenges आते हैं if you are not feeling that stability in your life with respect to money, especially because with a job the money flows in क्या बोल सकते हैं, बहुत ही रेगुलर इंटरवल्स पे. पता है कि मंथ के एंड में आपको सैलरी मिलने वाली है, बट विद द क्रिएटर इंडस्ट्री और एनी काइंड ऑफ बिजनेस उसमें वो सर्टेनिटी नहीं रहती है. इट्स अ वेरी अनसर्टेन प्रोफेशन बिकॉज कभी आपके पास काम है, कभी आपके पास नहीं है, कभी वीक्स निकल जाते हैं एंड यू डोंट हैव लाइक अ ब्रांड पार्टनरशिप और मनी फ्लोइंग इन. So it's very uncertain, and that's something that has hit me after I've left my job because everyone has bills to pay, everyone has a certain lifestyle to follow. बहुत सारे challenges हैं, लेकिन good that I have saved up, good that I have a family backup and stuff like that. So yes, stability तो नहीं है, but I'm working my way through it, and my goal is to actually not worry about this uncertainty anymore. I want to reach that point कि मुझे ये uncertainty bother ही ना करे. Next question, Happy New Year. Happy New Year to you too. Have you visited Mumbai? If yes, what did you love to eat during your visit? Guys, I am from Mumbai. I live in Mumbai. So yes, I do have like a long list of food items because I'm a foodie. I love to try different new kinds of foods and cafes and everything about food. So मेरे पास बहुत लंबी list है. I'll try to put it somewhere here. The good pizzas, good pav bhaji, good pani puri, good chaat, all of that. I just love it. Mumbai ki chaat is the best in the world, I would say. Next, someone is asking for jeans suggestions. So basically, I get all my jeans, all my denims from H&M or Zara because उनका fit बहुत अच्छा होता है. They last me for a really long time and I feel like they look really really great. It flatters my body type. So I stick to these two brands majorly. But I am going to try some new homegrown Indian brands because why not? I'll put a list somewhere here in case you are looking to try something new yourself. So the next question is, any plans to visit Bangalore? And similar question, Kerala vlog please. So मैं कभी भी केरला और कर्नाटका अभी तक गई नहीं हूँ and I really want to visit both of these places because मैंने बहुत सारे videos देखे हैं and बहुत ज़्यादा सुंदर है दोनों जगह. Hopefully sometime soon I would plan a trip to Bangalore as well as Kerala and you would see all the vlogs on my channel. So yeah, stay tuned. Yeah, I think most of the questions are getting repeated right now, so I'm going to end this video right here. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video and got to know me a little better watching this video. I would love to know all of you guys, so please put down like your introduction, where you from, what do you do in the comments below. I would genuinely love to know. And if you enjoyed watching this video, do like this video, subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends, comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.